Okay, y'all, it's Janae. Yes, I'm still in the sling, but this is my last week in it. You know, it's been 6 weeks now post the operation for my shoulder. And yes, I'm wearing pajamas because I feel like it's appropriate for the box that I'm about to open. So, Black Friday, I did do a little small business shopping, or small business Saturday, that weekend. And so one of the small businesses that I supported was Tierra J Beauty. She's a business owner. She owns her own salon. She's a hairstylist. And she sells hair-based products as well as some cute, slumber items. So I'm just gonna go over the items that I purchased that are in this book. So I'm actually opening this entire thing the first time. I should really do an unboxing, like actual unboxing, to show you how it looks when you open the box. But this is the first thing that I see. So I'm here for the packaging, first of all, of this. I think it's super cute with her logo on here and a cute baggie. So let's get what I got here. To be fair, it's been a minute. I don't completely remember what I ordered. I'm gonna have to look back at my email confirmation. But either way, it'll be in the description box. So first things first, thank you card. This is super cute. Information on the back. And then I think it's an edge control brush. Yeah, the edge brushing comb. Girl, with her logo throughout the packaging. Girl, I got locks and I bought the stuff anyway. I'll use them when I do cosplay or something. I believe this is the, let me look at that. Yeah, it's like the melt band. So like when you laying down your edges, you put this on to kind of help lay it down. After you put down your little edge stuff. All right, another business card. Hours operation for her salon. And then her logo is on the back. This is super cute. I think her logo is super cute. And her graphics were done by Artish Design. She's dope. Super dope. All right, so this is the satin scarf, I believe. Signature silk scarf. So I think I ordered champagne, but they didn't have it in stock anymore. So customer service is really good, by the way. Customer service. So the woman reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to switch colors or to just wait another 2 weeks for the color that I requested to come in. I said, just switch the color, it's fine. I wasn't picky. I had a difficult time deciding which one I wanted anyway, so I guess that helped me make a decision. So, oh, this is big. So I'm not gonna be able to open this up all the way, but you can see the border has the pink and it has her Tierra J logo on it. It's super cute. It's actually a pretty big size scarf. Yeah, this is gonna be fun trying to fold back up. Yeah, I'm liking how all my stuff matches though. Hold on. Look at this. Literally sticking with the same color scheme. I'm here for it. Oh, this is a silk bonnet. So, it's a big bonnet too. So this is the bonnet. You can see how large it is. It has the wide band with the Tierra J logo on it. And then the inside has the satin lining. Same with the pink color. So I think I was trying to mix up all my colors. Black bonnet, champagne scarf, and then the pink melt band. But I still like what I have. And then it ties up in the back. I like this. This for the big hair sisters. Big hair, don't care. All right, so now I have a bigger box down here that I have to open. This one, so I think I cheated when I ordered it because she actually sells these, I can't remember what they're called. I'm gonna look it up, put it in the description, but they're like slumber boxes where you get like, depending on which one you order, you can get the one that comes with like the satin robe, the slippers, and like a special item. I order each of my items separately. Yeah, because there were specific things that I wanted that was not included in the box option that they had available. So I just decided to just pick my own items, but they ended up putting it in the box anyway. So let me get out the box first. All right, so first things first. And again, this has been sitting, it's January, so it's been sitting in that box, USPS, for a little over a month now. But packaging, right? Packaging. I'm here for it. All right, so let me get this opened. All right. So, yeah, let me break some. I just want to show like the tissue paper has her logos on it as well. I think that's really cool. All right, so I got the Satin like cushion rollers with the scrunchie. Honestly, I don't know how this is supposed to work, seeing that it's like one big roller. Am I supposed to cut it? I'm gonna have to find out. All right, next is the sleep mask. It's a champagne color sleep mask. And then the strap is elastic and it's adjustable, so that's cool. Oof, that hurts. I look forward to using this. Actually, next is, what's this? It's the Satin headband wrap. I can use this to sleep tonight. Pull this out of my face. God, that hurt. God, that hurt. Whew. So I got black. I got the same color as the bonnet. This is how wide it is. It's Tierra J. Oof. I can only raise his arm so much, but the Tierra J logo on it. And then there's the Velcro. Let me undo this. You can see it's lined in pink. And then there's the Velcro on each side. Definitely use this now. Go to sleep in it. And then I didn't order this either. They must have just, I think maybe they were giving out something special for ordering during the Small Business Saturday. I don't know, because I don't think I ordered this either. Yeah, it's not on my list, but hey, I'm here for it. It's another scrunchie. This is so cute. It's white with the Tierra J logos on it. You know, wait till my hair grow out some more. Like, I mean, I done had a whole other issue with my hair. All this has fallen out. So I'm really trying to hide that, but I'm here for this. Okay, so here's the wax stick. Again with the logo. I'm here for it. tell y'all, wait till I get to my next cosplay, my next comic convention. I'm gonna be using all this stuff. It actually smells kind of good. There's the plastic covering on it, but that's it. And I've seen her use this. If you watch her YouTube videos, it actually shows how to apply it. And this top is a twist top. I was trying to pop it off. I'm glad it screws. And last but not least, the slippers, Plush Slippers. It feels so soft. I'm gonna look forward to trying these on. And I got these in black. So yes. Okay, so that is everything that I got. I'm actually looking forward to using the head wrap and the hair bonnet, because I can use that with my locks. And I mean, I can use it house shoes anytime as well. So first of all, I love the packaging of all of this. I love how she used her logo and everything in such a way that it still has an elegant feel to it. And the color scheme, I'm here for the color scheme, hands down, all day, every day. But if you're looking just for some, you know, some hair items, looking for another woman, like woman-owned business support, a small business support, a black-owned business support, definitely check out Tierra J Beauty. If you're in the Atlanta area, definitely check out her salon. She also sells bundles. I mean, that's not really what I'm looking to purchase nowadays. But if you're into that, like, definitely check out her website. And she just posted some new things, so check her out. She also has a YouTube channel, Tierra J. Look her up there as well. But I'm definitely pleased with all the items that I purchased. I'm excited about, I cleaned everything before I use it, so I'm excited about cleaning it so I can use it. And yeah, thanks for sitting here watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe.